What if I told you this vehicle doesn't fear Antarctica's deadliest storms? It was built for them. Meet the Venturi Antarctica, the ultimate snow vehicle engineered for the most extreme place on Earth. Designed to conquer deep snow, brutal winds, and sub-zero temperatures, this machine delivers unmatched stability and control. Its wide tracks distribute weight perfectly, allowing it to glide over snow where ordinary vehicles sink. Built for scientists and explorers, the Venturi Antarctica ensures safe, reliable transport across endless frozen terrain. From research missions to supply runs, it performs without hesitation. Powerful, precise, and purpose-built, this isn't just a snow vehicle, it's a lifeline in Antarctica's harshest conditions. Think this is just a mower? Watch what it does in winter. This is the Husqvarna P525D, a professional-grade machine built for year-round performance. Powered by a strong diesel engine and designed for precision control, it transforms into a winter workhorse with snow attachments. From clearing paths to handling tough conditions, it delivers smooth traction, balance, and reliability in the cold. Its ergonomic design keeps operators comfortable during long winter shifts, while Husqvarna engineering ensures durability you can trust. Versatile, powerful, and efficient, this machine proves that true professionals don't stop working when winter arrives. When the snow is deep and the terrain is unforgiving, this machine keeps moving. This is the Tucker Snow Kitten, a compact yet powerful snow vehicle built for precision and reliability. With its 4-track system, it delivers exceptional traction, stability, and control on deep snow and icy terrain. Designed for mountain operations, transport, and winter access, it moves smoothly where ordinary vehicles stop. Its rugged construction and balanced design make it dependable in extreme cold and long-duty conditions. Small in size, but big in capability, the Tucker Snow Kitten proves that smart engineering beats brute force when winter is at its worst. When snow shuts roads down, this machine keeps working without compromise. Meet the Yanmar AC21 Crawler, a compact powerhouse designed to master snow-covered terrain. Equipped with a durable crawler track system, it delivers superior traction and stability where wheels fail. Its efficient engine provides smooth, controlled power, making it ideal for snow clearing, transport, and winter utility work. Built with Yanmar's reputation for reliability, the AC21 performs consistently in freezing temperatures and tight spaces. Easy to control, tough by design, and ready for long hours, this crawler is proof that true performance comes from smart engineering, not size alone. When winter turns ruthless, only the strongest machines survive. This is the active Grizzly, a heavy-duty snow vehicle built for serious winter work. Engineered to handle deep snow, steep terrain, and freezing conditions, it delivers raw power with total control. Its aggressive track system provides exceptional grip, while the rugged frame ensures stability under heavy loads. Trusted for utility, transport, and extreme environments, the active Grizzly doesn't hesitate when conditions get tough. Reliable, durable, and purpose-built, this machine is made to perform where others fail. When snow becomes an obstacle, the active Grizzly turns it into a clear path forward. Snowstorm outside? For this machine, that's just another workday. This is the John Deere Snowblower, built to dominate winter, not slow down because of it. Engineered with powerful augers and a high-torque system, it cuts through heavy, wet snow with unstoppable force. The precision chute control throws snow exactly where you want it, keeping paths clean and safe in seconds. Designed for durability and operator comfort, it performs reliably even in extreme cold. From farms to large driveways and commercial spaces, this machine delivers consistent professional results. When winter hits hard, John Deere hits back harder, strong, efficient, and ready for anything. What if your bike could ride on snow like it was pavement? Meet the Envo Flex Snow Bike, a smart electric solution built for winter adventure. Designed to glide over snow with its rear track system and front ski, this snow bike delivers smooth control and confident handling on icy terrain. Its electric motor provides instant torque, making uphill climbs in deep snow effortless and quiet. Lightweight, modular, and eco-friendly, the Envo Flex is perfect for commuters, explorers, and winter enthusiasts alike. No fuel, no noise, just pure performance in the cold. When winter changes the road, the Envo Flex Snow Bike changes the rules. When the job demands absolute power in deep snow, this machine answers. Meet the Bombardier BR100, a legendary tracked vehicle built for extreme winter operations. Designed to move heavy loads across deep snow and rough terrain, it delivers unmatched traction and reliability. Its wide track system spreads weight evenly, allowing it to glide where wheels can't survive. Trusted for industrial work, remote transport, and harsh environments, the BR100 is known for strength, balance, and durability. Every component is engineered for long hours in brutal cold. When access matters and failure is not an option, the Bombardier BR100 proves why it's a winter workhorse.